The energy it literally took for me to transfer these products from my bathroom to my bedroom, I deserve a thumbs up, okay? Because I almost, like, literally almost was not about to film this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for your support and also watching my video. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top natural hair products. Things that I cannot live without. My holy grail. Literally without this stuff, I don't have hair, okay? Because I've been using this stuff for a really long time and I've really seen like a lot of changes on my hair. And it's like, oh my God, it's amazing. Like without these products, there's no natural hair for me. Enough rambling. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. The first product is this shampoo right here. This is the Shea Butter 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo or shampoo. What do you guys call it? But this right here, oh my gosh, like I got the shampoo, oh gosh, and the conditioner together. This size is really hard to find, but you can get it from Costco. Each is like $11.99, I believe. Like it was like literally a deal, like a steal, and I literally like had to stack up on it because you know Costco, when you go there and see something, you better just grab it because you're not gonna see it the next time. But I love these two. Like ever since I've been using them, I've seen so much change to my hair. My hair is more softer. Like when I don't even need to detangle when I get out of the shower anymore because my hair is already like so soft and detangled in the shower. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. They have coconut oil and coconut milk, which have like conditioning properties to like smooth and soften hair. This thing is amazing. Like these two, if you have natural hair and you're on a budget, like try these, okay? Because I literally have tried so many conditioners and shampoos in my life, and these ones are the perfect ones. Like you don't have to go and like, you know, spend so much money on these, you know, natural hair product. These two, just get these two duos. If you just did your big chop and you're trying to see like what products to use, get these two. Bomb, amazing. When it comes to leave-in conditioners, I have literally tried literally everything, okay? Everything. If you see my bathroom, you're gonna think I'm a hoarder because I am such a product junkie. Like I buy so many products. It's crazy. But this leave-in conditioner right here, this is the Cantu Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner Cream. Oh my God. This is the best. Like the best. It is so affordable. It just do what it's supposed to do. It doesn't do the most. It doesn't do like extra. It just do what it's supposed to do, which is leave-in condition. Some leave-in conditioners I've tried like leave like residues in your hair. It makes your hair like so dry and like ruin your curls. I've literally tried leave-in conditioners that have ruined my curls. But ever since I went back to this, bomb. I love this stuff. Like it's so amazing. Like, oh my gosh. It doesn't have any mineral oils, any sulfates, parabens, and silicone. I'm literally reading from the container right here because like, oh my gosh, guys. Bomb. Okay, it's gonna leave your natural hair looking and feeling amazing. And it smells so good. It smells like you coming from a spa in Dubai or something. Like, oh God, it smells so good. I love it so much. If you're like me, we do a lot of wash and goes, and recently I bought this curl activator right here. This is the Lustrous S Curl Activator and Gel Activator. I guess the name is too much. Like look at all the names on the thing. It's just too much. But this gel right here is great. If you do a lot of wash and goes, I really recommend this product. If you have curly hair, this product needs to be part of your wash and go. Like, and it's like lightweight. Like I've tried a lot of gels that are so like, it makes my hair like, feels like there's so much stuff in it and it makes it like cakey. But this, like, it feels like there's nothing on your hair and it just does what it's supposed to do, which is activating the curls and like make your curls like just look amazing. I also use the spray as well. It's also from the same line, the Lustrous S Curl, but this one is like the no freeze formula. Like it's like a spray. if you're curly and you also have like frizzy ends whenever you use like a curly product, this will get rid of it completely. From root to top, it will just make the hair look and feel like so nice. Like these together, my holy grail. I will forever use this product, and it's so cheap. I've tried a lot of masks for my natural hair, and so far this is the best. This is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. I mix it up with like my apple cider vinegar, and then I use it. I did a video about it, so you guys definitely check it out when I use it on my face and my hair. And ever since I've been using this, I use this like once every 2 weeks, and oh my gosh, it takes all the dirt out of my hair. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch that video. I explain in detail the benefits of this mask. If your hair like builds up protein a lot and you want to get rid of that and you want to like neutralize your hair, I recommend this mask so much. It's amazing. It feels, oh my God. When you use this on your hair, you can also use it on your face too. Guys, you're gonna feel like a baby's butt. Like your hair is gonna feel so smooth and so nice and so clean. I definitely recommend this mask. It is my holy grail product. If you don't know, I recently flat ironed my hair. 3 years ago when I first flat ironed my hair, I didn't use like a heat protector, and my hair was so damaged, like damaged. But one of you guys recommended this product right here as a heat protector. It's called the Straight Silk Spray with infused argan oil. And thank you so much for recommending this product to me, because using this product literally saved my hair. I washed my hair yesterday and my curls are back. I just like sprayed it and blow dried it a little bit because I like this, you know, afro look. I'm going for this afro look. But my curls are back. They look great. I definitely recommend this product if you're trying to flat iron your hair or trying to blow dry your hair. Make sure you use this product. And I got it from Amazon and it was really, really cheap. So yeah. The next product is this comb right here. This comb, oh my God, this is the best detangling comb ever. As you guys can see, this is the regular detangling comb, right? Regular one. This is the one I'm talking about. You see the difference? This one is so sharp and it can like literally damage your hair. This one have a softer end, so it's not as aggressive as this one. This one is really, really sharp, and this one is really, really soft, like really, really soft. I can't even do this. Like it hurts when I do this on this one. So definitely get this one. This one is amazing. You might be wondering what I use to lay down my edges, because I have really, really curly hair. I use Got2b glue, the yellow one, okay? The gel doesn't do anything for me, like nothing. Like it doesn't lay nothing down. But as you can see, the glue, literally, like my hair is like laid, like, oh my God, it lays it down like for hours. Like I literally have to wash this off for it to come off, because baby, my hair can be like this for like a whole week and nothing will happen to it. I love this product. I definitely recommend it. If you have natural hair and you're struggling with like laying your baby hairs, you want to have like that cute look, please don't perm your hair. Please don't perm your edges. I saw a video like that on YouTube the other day. I'm like, what? People are perming their edges? The ghetto. But this right here is bomb. I really, really love it. If you don't have this, you need to get this. Definitely get this, because I love using this product. My hair just feels like I got a perm, and I haven't gotten a perm in 6 years. But yeah, I love this product. So that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching the whole video. You're the real G. You're a real one. I really appreciate you. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and also put on your post notification on so you know whenever I upload 3 times a week. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Baby girl, you fine.